Hello everyone. Today I will show you the galvanized sheet welding process. The welding machine used here is a 1000W welding machine, which can weld 0 to 3 galvanized sheets with a welding penetration depth of 2 mm. We can see that the welder is welding a 2 mm galvanized sheet, and can clearly see the welding line intuitively. The welder took a short time to weld the two galvanized sheets together before proceeding to the next weld. Here I have to say that the handheld fiber laser welding machine is indeed a very practical machine. It has the advantages of simple operation, beautiful seams, fast welding speed, no consumables, etc. The handheld fiber laser welding machine fills the gap of handheld welding in the laser equipment industry. The handheld laser welding machine subverts the working mode of the previous laser welding machine and replaces the previous fixed optical path with a handheld welding gun. This method of operation not only makes it more convenient to weld molds, advertising text, kitchen utensils, doors and windows, but also makes it possible to perform laser welding outdoors,